Dear friends, in this video I'd like to show you how to install guest OS or guest machine from ISO image in VMware workstation. As you know, for most of machines on the Van Hub, the file format is OVA. To install the guest machine from this OVA file would be a bit easy. We simply import such a file into VMware workstation or VirtualBox. However, there are some machines which format is ISO, and procedure to install such guest machine into VMware workstation or VirtualBox would be a bit different. Before we go ahead, if you don't mind, please subscribe to my channel and leave a like below. You're greatly appreciated. So enough talk, let's just get started. I've already downloaded this file into my host machine. So now we can head over to VMware workstation. We need to create new virtual machine rather than importing the image. And we can select custom, next, and we can give one more click, next, and then we can select I will install the operating system later. We can click next again, and we can select other version of Linux, which doesn't matter, and then we can click next, and we can name this machine, for example, like I need to go back. I need to change the location of this target machine or guest machine, and we can go to, for example, virtual machines folder. We can create a new subfolder like a scene, and we can confirm and then click next. And then for the processor configuration, we just leave it as default value or configuration. Click next. And for memory, we just do the same. Click next. And we can click next. At this moment for network, later we can change it to what we want, and we can click next, next, and then we need to create a new virtual disk. Next, and the disk size we can set to any, for example, like 18. This doesn't matter, and please do not enable this option, allocate all disk space now. This will use our hard disk, physical hard disk immediately, which is not what we want, right? And then we can click next, click next. Before we click finish, we need to customize hardware. And for example, for network adapter, I always change it to host only. And then we can also, we need to mount the ISO image. We can browse and navigate to the ISO image. This one, and then we can click next, and then we can close, and then we can click finish. So I think that's all what we have to do to install guest or CTF victim machine into the VMware workstation, and then you can power on this virtual machine. All right, so I think that's it. I'd like to see you in the next one. Bye. Have a nice day, please.